Worksheet number 36, problem number 2. Jack Pepper pays $44 per month for a cable service. During September, he watched TV an average of 2.5 hours per day. How much did Jack pay for each hour of viewing? First thing you need to do on your back of your piece of paper is you need to visualize it. You don't have to draw a picture, but it does help. Draw a pretty little picture of the month September. Okay, so here's the month of September. And personally, I would then, so it said $44 is how much you paid for the whole month. During September, he watched 2.5 hours per day. So break your calendar up into a bunch of days. And then visualize that that is how many hours, 2.5 hours per one day that he actually watched it. You've got to figure out how many hours he watched in the whole month, because the question is, how much did he pay each hour of viewing? So our ultimate question is, what did he pay per hour? That is our question. So you have to look at, do we know the total pay? What was the total pay for the month, class? $44.50. What does per actually mean? Per one, right? But this, what operation does per mean? If it's part of the question, per means divides. Do we know the number of hours he did it?
60.
Right now we only know 2.5 hours per day, and we have to figure out per month. So you actually have to take the per hour. Well, we know it's 2.5 hours per day, so we actually have to multiply the number of hours per day times the fact that there's actually 30 days in 1 month. So if we calculate 30 times 2.5, you can use mental math. 30 times 2.5 is 75 hours. Mathematicians know that since you have days on top and you have the word days on bottom, you are left with hours per month in the equation. Then we continue on. Bring down the 4450. And that's how much they pay per month. And we're going to divide the two operations. Now what's really cool is with fractions we do keep, change, flip. So we keep the first one the same, $44.50 per month. We change division to multiplication. We flip the second fraction, and that's actually 1 month over 75 hours. Turns out the word month is actually going to cancel now in my work. You multiply the top, you multiply the bottom, and I'm going to pause the video as I actually do that work. So we've now calculated $44.50 divided by the 75 hours, and we got the final answer of 58 cents, and you can use the words per, is the price per hour is how much he actually pays.